How to transfer money from Philippines to USA. Now, first of all, we will use Wise, and if you use the link below, you will benefit from 0 fees for transfer up to 500 pounds. Now, first of all, open your Wise account and select your destination currency. In this case, it will be the Philippine peso. Type in it, the decision, as you can see, select it. Now, select your recipient currency. In this case, it will be the USD. As you can see. Now, after that, type here how much you want to transfer. For example, $10,000, $100,000, any amount that you want to transfer. As you can see, click on send money. So here, double check the amount that you want to transfer, and as you can see, this is how much your recipient will receive. Now click on pay with, and now select the bank or e-wallet. Now click on add recipient, and here select the bank details, and now select someone else, and after that provide your email and the recipient bank details. If they have ACH, provide their full name, routine number, account number, and account type, and the recipient country. And if they have wire, you can provide their full name, feed wire, routine number, and account number, and as you can see, account type and the country. And if you have the SWIFT of your recipients, you can provide their full name, SWIFT, BIC code, and IBAN, account number, and the country, and click on continue. And after that, recipient to receive that money on their bank account. So this is how to transfer money from Philippines to USA on PC. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.